hey. Oh,
Hold on. Listen, okay. Okay, see, this is what we not gonna do.
What's up?
Okay, this one is just not hitting. Like, what is this? Is it gonna get better? No, it's not. But anyway, I'm on my way to school now. My class started at 11:15 and it's 10:43. We're gonna see if I get there. I'm finna go to class now. I'll talk to y'all when I get there. We got to the hotel and stuff. Right now we're trying to figure out what we're gonna eat. I look a mess. I need my lashes done. Like, get something to eat. We got here not too long ago and it's like 9:36. But I don't think I'm gonna change. I'm gonna keep what I have on because I am starving. I'm starving and I'm just ready to eat. Probably gonna end up eating some seafood, so that's good. Alright, y'all, our food came. I'm gonna show y'all what my food look like. This is what my food look like. I got shrimp, crabs, fried egg, and shrimp and potatoes. Hey y'all, I'm back. I took a shower and everything. Finna go to bed because I'm tired. I ate good. And it's 12:50 right now. I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning, y'all. I just woke up. I'm gonna get ready. I put it out to say, but let's just get ready for today. To fit. Get a scarf because I need to lay my closure down. You already know. But we're gonna go to the outlet mall, in the shop. Down there. I'm just fashion over. We just came back. We just got done shopping. I got a few things. Sylvia's and Coach. And for some reason, every store I go into, the buzzer is going off. Mind you, I ain't still nothing. I'm still not, but it's just going off. For what reason? I don't know. Oh y'all, it's good. We came back to the room to freshen up. Yeah, we get on the elevator now because it's taking too long. But yeah, we came back, freshen up. We're gonna go to the mall. But yeah, that's the move. That's what's up.